welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to see about authentication and mobile device security. Introduction. Security is still of utmost importance for both mobile devices and web applications in today's digital world. Password-based system and other conventional methods of user authentication contain security flaws that could be exploited by malicious users. Biometric authentication has developed as a promising response to these worries, offering a strong and individualized security strategy that depends on particular psychological or behavioral attributes of individuals. In order to improve the security and user experience of both mobile devices and web applications, this project is building an authentication system that uses biometric data, specifically fingerprints. The suggested unique technique provides a more dependable, practical, and user-friendly method of user identity verification by utilizing the specific patterns inherent in fingerprints. Coming to objective, the projects aim to enhance security within a Python-based web application by integrating biometric authentication. The main goal of the project is to establish a secure user registration process and implementing a reliable fingerprint-based authentication mechanism using advanced computer vision algorithms, providing clear user feedback, ensuring compatibility across different platforms, and also demonstrating the effectiveness of chosen algorithms. The primary focus of the project is to boost security measures, improve user experience, and contribute to the ongoing development of biometric authentication methods. Coming to requirements, we need hardware and software requirements. In hardware, operating system of Windows, processor of 5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. In software, we need Python of 3.7.0 version and MySQL Workbench. These are the design modules and the methodology for execution of the project. First one is register here. In this module, new user can sign up for the application. They provide their personal details like username, contact number, address, etc. and upload their fingerprint image. This image serves as their unique identification. When the user clicks the registered button, the application stores their details and fingerprint image in the database associating them with their username. The second module is user login. In this module, registered users can log into the application. They provide their username and upload their fingerprint image as form of authentication. When the user submits their login request, the application retrieves the fingerprint image associated with their username from the database. The uploaded fingerprint image is then compared to the stored image using algorithms like key point measurements and GAR-BF matcher. If the comparison score is below a certain threshold, the authentication is considered successful and the user is granted with access. The last module is authentication. This module handles the core process of comparing the uploaded fingerprint with stored image. Algorithms like key point measurements and GAR-BF matcher are used to find matching points between the two images. The application then visually represents the matched points, indicating the similarity between the images. If they are matching with the score, it is sufficient low, indicating a strong match. The authentication process is deemed successful. Otherwise, it fails. For execution, we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. This is the code folder and this is the biometric image folder. This folder contains a collection of images that will be utilized within the application at later stages. And this is the mobile security folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that will be intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. And this is the mobile security app folder. It contains the template and static folders. Coming to template, this folder contains all HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, home.html, which represent different pages of the website. And the other folder is static. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. This is the database file. This contains queries that we need to run in MySQL Workbench to create a database. This is the manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So we will double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file will be compiled. After running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, which is localhost and port. So here we need to copy this link and paste it in any browser. I prefer Google Chrome. So here I will paste this, and at the end we need to type index.html and click on enter. So this has taken to the home page of the project, which is displayed in the browser. This is the front end developed by the Django framework. So first I need to click on the button register here for a new user to get signed up. So here I need to enter all these details. First I will enter username. Then I need to choose the file, fingerprint file, which will be acting as a password. So here I choose the first fingerprint and click on open. So here this file is uploaded. Now I need to give the contact number. Here I will give the email address and here address of the user. Now I'll click on register. So here it is showing that True Project's username already exists, so we will try with other username. I'll choose the file. I'll select this one and click on open. Now I'll give the contact number and email ID and the address and click on register here. Here sign up process is completed. Now I need to click on user link to get authenticated. So here we need to fill these details and choose the file. So here as I entered the username and then uploading the correct image given at the sign up time. So this was selected at the sign up time. So I will select this now and click on open. Now I'll click on login. So here first image is the uploaded login image and this is the database image. We can see minute points in different colors indicating which points are matched. And the third image, we can see we are connecting both images points with lines that are getting matched. And here the lines are getting matched, so that here it is giving fingerprint is matched, authentication successful. Now we'll close this. Here we will log out and then log in with the different fingerprint image so that it will show authentication is successful or not. Here we will give the wrong fingerprint. So again I'll click on the button user and give the username and choose the different fingerprint. So here now I'll choose the second fingerprint. Now I'll click on open and click on login. So this is the uploaded login image and this is the database image. Here we have different colors which are matched with the other fingerprint. So here it is showing that fingerprint does not match and the authentication is failed, which means the project is showing successful. So now we'll try with the other image also. Now we'll select this fingerprint and click on open and then click login. So here it is showing that fingerprint does not match and the authentication is successful for this particular fingerprint. We'll close this browser. Conclusion: the project achieved improved security and user interactivity by successfully integrating biometric authentication into a Python web application. The secure user registration module used the encryption to store fingerprint images, ensuring the privacy of personal data. Advanced computer vision techniques coupled by a fingerprint-based authentication method enabled precise and quick matching for safe user access. A user-friendly interface that provides real-time feedback during login attempts and prioritizes the user experience gives user trust. The solution's ability to be used to a Python-based web application demonstrated its cross-platform flexibility. By matching key points and scores, the algorithm's efficiency may be visually shown, proving its dependability. The project's integration of cutting-edge technology and user-centered design represents a significant advancement in the field of biometric security, resulting in more effective protection and more user engagement in digital applications. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.